Hi, my name is Luke Glockenberg, and I'm going to start talking about Disney for my midterm. A little background information. Disney was founded on October 16th, 1923 by Walt and Roy Disney. It became known as its current name, the Walt Disney Company, in 1986. It owns 14 theme parks around the world. It's the world's second largest media conglomerate, and for those of you who don't know, for an example, Disney owns and operates networks like ESPN, ABC, A&E networks. That's what it means to be kind of a conglomerate. You own a lot through the media, and it benefits your business. Some web analytic tools I'm going to be talking about and recommending for Disney today are Google Analytics, Chartbeat, and Alexa. I'm going to talk about some pros and cons for each. Unfortunately, I do not have access to Google Analytics and Chartbeat for Disney, but I do for Alexa.com. So I'm going to exit out real quick of my PowerPoint and show you some of Chartbeat and Google Analytics. First, I'm going to talk about Google Analytics. Google Analytics, for me personally, I can link up my Gmail account, which is pretty cool, but it doesn't give me, I want to say, a lot of charts or information yet because I haven't done a lot, but it tells me about how much time I spend on my Gmail between my phone, tablet, and computer, which is pretty cool. For bigger businesses, it shows charts like this up here, just like Alexa.com, which I'm going to get into, and Chartbeat. So all three are basically the same. They all have premium analytics, which is what we want for our company. We want everything, every little piece of data that we can get and help us to benefit our customers and get people to stay on our pages longer and to purchase things. That's what we want. So here is some of what Google can do for you with this premium. Live technical support 24/7, which is something we would definitely want. It has a dedicated account manager letting you know things constantly. And then I'm going to go to Chartbeat real quick. Chartbeat has some pretty interesting things as well. They also have a premium product. So Chartbeat actually has a little Disney quote, building a business on the magic that happens between the clicks. That's pretty intriguing to me that they have that for their Disney analytics. It's a pretty good quote to me. As you see, they have other companies as here well. So they're also a very respected analytic tool. But once again, I don't have access to show you and see how it works. You can see examples. But this is more for business use. And what I mean by more for business use is that, Chartbeat is more for a sales team, is what I realize. And so Google Analytics says most of the same thing. They don't really tell you why people are on your page. They more try to get you to sell things. And to me, that's not the point of analytics. Yes, you want people to buy things and purchase things, but you also want, for your benefit, to see why they are, or how to keep them on a page longer, not just to buy things, but to just surface through your website and explore. That's also important to me, and what people are saying about you on social media and how they're searching you, etc. So those are just two examples. Now I'm going to get back to my PowerPoint because I have some slides on Alexa. Give me 1 second. So I'll go to my next slide. Like I said, I'm just going to explain some pros and cons. So here's Alexa.com. What I love about Alexa.com, and I've used Alexa.com in a previous presentation, is that it shows you demographics, the browsing location, education, gender. It gives you a lot about demographics. It just doesn't give you male or female or where they're searching from. So this is just an example of who visits Disney.go.com. Then you have your bounce rate and page views. It not only gives you your percentage right now, it tells you if you went down this month or week or day, or if you went up, as you see in the daily page views and daily time on your site. So it's telling you how engaged people are, and 9 minutes and 5 seconds is a pretty long time for people to engage on Disney. So this is another pro. It's showing you how much the people are engaged. It also shows you traffic sources. So it shows you where people are visiting right before they get to your site, meaning they're on Google, Facebook, Yahoo. They might see an ad and click on it. So maybe to place target ads at people on these sites, it lets you know where you should be targeting your audience. The next would be, where do visitors go on Disney.com? They show the percent of visitors that are going to Disney World, Disneyland, Disney parks. So they're showing you what percentage is viewing that one page the most on your website. Next, we'll get to keywords and search engines. Are they searching Disney World, Disneyland? This is just another aspect of, if we go back to the current slide, what pages do visitors go on? It's showing you another subset of that, of what they're searching, what word use they're choosing. Next, I'm going to get into personas. There's an audience persona, which is someone who's trying to learn, benefit for education or entertainment use, and there's the buyer persona, who's actually looking to plan that trip to Disney to support their needs. They need to buy something. Those are the two types of personas. The Disney persona that I'm going to go into is families looking for a vacation or Disney cruise, a theme park enthusiast, young kids that play games on Disney.com and watch Disney Channel on TV, or high school or summer travel teams. What I mean by that is like a baseball team trying to plan their spring training, or an AAU basketball team in the summer that's trying to go down to Disney and play in the national championships. So I'm going to kind of combine those persona to pick a vacation spot for a sports enthusiast trying to visit Disney's theme park. The KPIs and targets from Kaushik that I'm going to talk about. A key performance indicator is a metric that helps you understand how you are doing against your objectives. Targets are numerical values that you have predetermined as indicators for success or failure. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about Disney's KPI and targets. For example, an objective would be increase sales and visits to the park. Selling more park passes through the use of Disney.go.com would be the goal. The KPI would be monthly revenue. Use exit and landing page metrics to see how many people are landing on a purchase page. Visitor loyalty, it would help us see the same people who are visiting the website every day. Sales or promotions that are available to customers every month, and those are measured daily for visitor loyalty and measured monthly for sales or promotions. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about navigating through Disney's website for my persona. So here you go to Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. You can get there from disneyworld.disney.go.com. I just wanted to show you that this is the home page. So you go to parks and tickets to see where you want, what type of tickets you would want: theme park tickets, special event tickets. But places to stay, you want to go to Disney All-Star Sports Resort. As a sports enthusiast, this is what you would want. Here it is. You can start booking right away. Check availability. And this is how you would navigate to get here and to start learning how to book your stay at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort if you're a sports enthusiast, or if you're trying to take your team there. For spring training, this is where you would stay. So this is my bibliography for Alexa.com and the nice charts and for my slides they provided. And this is my presentation. Thank you.